हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू वाइजर लैब यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की वीडियो में आपको हाउ कैरी ऑन बोर्डिंग एम्पावर्ड MIQ टू अचीव 70% बैटल कार्ड अडॉप्शन के बारे में बताऊंगा। उससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें। चलते हैं अपने वीडियो की तरफ। मेडिसन ब्लास्क ऑन फ्राइडे जून 23, 2023। रीडिंग टाइम 5 minutes। फ्रॉम द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम Rachel Floskid, VP of Global Product Marketing at MIQ. Meet with Carrion. She had high expectations for her onboarding experience, and she know that to run a thriving CI program, she will need to start by generating a goodwill for competitive intelligence across her company. To get the full MIQ team on board with competitive intelligence, Recal's onboarding managers at Crayon recognized that the first and most crucial step in this process would be to lean heavily into change management. Crayon enabled Raquel with coaching around internal needs analysis, conversations with this guidance. She was able to hold a conversation across the organization with all key revenue leaders to not just understand the root of the competitive problem that needed to be addressed, but to paint the vision of what lay ahead and create the first wave of internal champions. Once Raquel generally not authorism at MIQ to dive heat first into her partnership with Crayon. She quickly realized she made the right decision. We were really excited to join Crayon when we realized we be supported by the onboarding team and or customer success manager CSM, and what and that we'd be working on our compete program together. Raquel said after this first few months, it's clear that our program won't be where it is without our CSM and the onboarding program, along with high expectations for Crayon came an expectation for fast results. Recall Kinyo that to really deem her CI program a success. She need to generate USEC from her teams and fast spoiler alert. She pulled it off, and within 4 months with Crayon had over 70% of her sales team using battle cards. So how did Crayon onboarding help get her there? Our onboarding manager was a superstar. Collaboration is a core tenet of Crayon's onboarding program. By approaching onboarding as a team effort, Crayon and Raquel assured An effective program launch or onboarding. Manager was a superstar, said Raquel. No question was too small. She gave us. Gave us plenty of her time for training and held us accountable to make real progress during onboarding. I come into this partnership with so many ideas. Forward or programs would look like or onboarding manager really helped to crystallize our vision for complete compete at MIQ. She continued. Crayon onboarding was critical to our quick success. The secret to Crayon onboarding: to unless meetings Crayon onboarding. Managers can managers have been on hundreds or thousands of customers call and know how to tailor each touch point to the company's CI. Program needs ensuring and that each meeting with Recall consisted of the conversational needed to move MIQ forward from a technical and strategic standpoint. This dedication of collaboration and efficient communication left Rekal extremely satisfied. And Crayon onboarding, we have a lot of different platforms and tools that we use. Finished Rekal. Crayon has been the smoothest onboarding process and the easiest onboarding experience I've ever been taught. MIQ as secret to a successful onboarding. The spirit of collaboration extended beyond Rakel's partnership with her onboarding manager too. Include Priya Shah, Global Product Marketing Associate at MIQ. Raquel and Priya were true partners during the onboarding process. They split responsibilities and their roles become two sides of the same coin. Leadership from Raquel and ownership from Priya. Will Raquel was a vocal champion of Crayon and worked on internal relationships. To drive the program at MIQ, Priya used tactical skills. The tactical skills she learned in Crayon onboarding to retrain her teammates, resulting in over a dozen admits working collaboratively to review and disseminates the most actionable insight across their org before onboarding ended. I want like this after their onboarding manager trained Raquel and Priya on a feature of their CI program like the Carry On Insights feeds or battle card. Best practices Priya turned around to reinforce the content with her product marketing and wider business enablement with team her onboarding manager as support. Consistent and dedicated internal ownership is key for a successful onboarding experience. Priya led by example and served as a true program owner by logging into Carry On until all battle cards and product and commercial dashboards had been created. Additionally, one of the most effective tools Priya and Raquel and used to encourage rapid adoption of CI at MIQ was the Slack plus Crayon integration. Due to the scale of the international seller group that they are enabling, Raquel created 12 Slack channel, each one segmented by a vertical or product topic in order to deliver repetitive insights to end users in a announced way by refining the CI experience both for each audience. The MIQ team is able to ensure that they are consistently enabling their teams with the most relevant actionable insights. We all love the Slack integration said Regal where meeting or revenue teams where they already spend the most time rather than having them learn a new platform to assess competitive insights. It has led to a brilliant customized CI experience that our and users really appreciate, ready to compete like MIQ. A successful onboarding experience has the ability to elevate and amplify a program's impact in short order, whether starting your programs for scratch or maturing an exciting CI program. When done correctly, onboarding serves as the launch point for your program. Carry on customer onboarding guarantee that your complete program has the just jump start needed to establish an enduring culture of CI at your company. Just take it from Recal. Thanks to the carry on onboarding process, I have what I need to minimize the value carry on will provide to our organization, said Recal. I would recommend carry on to any product master marketer due in no small part to my onboarding experience. Madison Blask is a content marketing senior specialist at Carry On, where she creates a compelling content that converts superior to joining Carry On. Madison worked as a senior copywriter at CXD Studio, as proudly woman worked on the creative agency based in Boston, MA. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।